This channel publishes motivational shorts and has an impressive 3.8 million subscribers. One unique aspect is its use of a dark theme in the videos. Also, in the motivational category, animal-themed shorts tend to get more views. On TikTok, a similar channel uses a dark theme for its videos. Interestingly, two of their videos, which use cinematic footages and a popular voiceover, receive significantly more views than the others. We will also use cinematic clips for our shorts.
Remember this. You'll be alone in the most difficult times of your life. These times will make you wise, mature, and I just want to remind you that nothing is permanent in this life. Don't stress yourself too much, because no matter how bad the situation...
All right, let's get to work. First, go to ChatGPT to ask for motivational quotes. I requested 20 quotes that are more creative and specified a minimum word count. Also ensure they are suitable for cinematic footages. You can ask for as many quotes as you want. These are the quotes I received. I also asked for animal-based motivational quotes with a minimum of 20 words, because this is another effective way to create motivational videos. In this video, I'll show you how to create both cinematic footages and animal-themed motivational shorts. See the quotes I have received. Now let's go to Canva and search for YouTube Shorts. There are a few templates suitable for motivational videos, but I choose a blank one to start with a clean slate. You can also find templates here. Next, go to Elements. Since I am creating a short using cinematic footage, search for cinematic and then go to Videos. There are a lot of videos available. So filter the orientation to vertical from here. Now you can find vertical videos. This is the first quote, which is about a journey. I am going to create a video for this quote. Choose suitable videos for the quote. This video matches the quote pretty well, so I'll pick it. Right-click on the video and set it as the background. I added 2 clips for the short. Let's check this clip. No, we'll pick another one. Okay, I choose this one. Click the plus icon to add a new page, then add the video to it. Right-click and set it as the background. This is a landscape video, but it fits nicely to the page with the human. Now let's make these videos darker. Click on each video, go to Edit, then Adjust. Adjust the brightness, highlights, and saturation as you wish. Play with the adjustment bars to get the desired theme. Next, I want to add a voiceover to the videos. Go to the app menu, choose AI-powered tools, and you will find many AI tools. There are a few tools to add voiceovers. Murph AI is one of them. Here it is another toollet. But I choose this one because it has pretty decent voices for motivation. Click on it, open. First, you have to sign up with your Gmail. Once signed up, connect to the app. You only have 500 tokens for free. If you run out, you can try other voiceover tools, or you can use 11 Labs. which also has pretty decent voices. Select the speaker. Let's try a few male speakers.
What are the main impediments to a restart?
A powerful and effective online text-to-speech editor is here. Create your account and generate realistic text. 2. Speech audio using online artificial intelligence speech generator.
Hi. My name is Brian. I will read any text you type here.
This one seems most suitable for motivational videos, so I'll pick it and set the speed to medium. Now enter the quote. Go to ChatGPT and copy the first quote. Then paste it here. I've added some commas to the text to give more control to the flow of the voice. Click Generate. Let's play it.
Every great journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward and never look back.
Okay, it sounds better now. Make suitable adjustments and arrange the video to fit the voiceover. Finally, go to Share and download the video. It will be saved in the Downloads folder. Let's play it.
Every great journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward and never look back.
Now we need to add captions and background music. To add captions, I use CapCut. Drag and drop the video into CapCut, then drag it into the timeline. I am going to add a transition effect between the two clips of our video. First, I'll split it from here, then go to Transitions. I'll pick this transition and drag and drop it between the two clips like this. From here, you can change the duration of the transition. Okay, this is better. Now we're going to add captions. Go to Captions, choose Auto Caption, and click Generate. This will generate captions according to our voiceover. Let's play it.
Every great journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward and never look back.
It shows the captions as lines or paragraphs, so we need to split those. Click on a caption, and from the right side menu, choose Captions. You can easily split from here. Just click on the caption where you want to split, then press Enter. Do the same for all the captions.
Every great journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward and never look back.
Now it's better. I made slight adjustments to the captions like this.
Every great journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward and never look back.
Now it perfectly fits. From the text menu, you can edit the text of the caption. I increase the font size, which will apply to all captions if you select this tick. Here I bolded and italicized the text. If you want to change the style of the text, you can do it from here. I kept the previous style as it is.
Every journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward and never look back.
Now I want to add background music. To find copyright-free music, go to Pixabay. Filter the search to music and then choose motivation. You'll find several motivational tracks. I chose this one and downloaded it from here. To see the license, click here, and you can view the license agreement. Okay, now add it to CapCut and drag it onto the timeline. I want this peak part to fit into the transition. Let's cut the track from here. Keep the cursor where you want to cut and select the track. Then from here, click on left split and it will cut the left part of the track. Drag it so the peak part fits into the transition. Now, I adjust the track by dragging the left side handle. Cut the right part of the track from here. Let's play it.
Every great journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward and never look back.
The music volume is high compared to the voiceover, so click on the track and reduce the volume from here.
Every great journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward and never look back.
Okay, now it's better. Go to Export, select the resolution, location, and other settings, then export it. This is the exported video.
Every great journey begins with a single step. Keep moving forward and never look back.
Okay, it looks awesome. Now I am going to create an animal motivation video using the same procedure. The first quote is about an eagle, the second about a lion, and the third about a hummingbird, likewise each corresponding to an animal. Let's head over to Canva. In Elements, you can search for videos for each animal. There are plenty of options available. Find a video for the eagle, then for the lion, and so on. I've picked the videos for the first quote, which is about the eagle. Okay, then this is the final video.
Be like the eagle, soaring high above the storms, using the challenges of life to lift you higher than ever before.
See, it looks awesome, and the procedure is very easy to follow. Like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned with me.